Dear parents, we can't wait to see your family next week. When you arrive for the 9 or 12:30 drop-off, please follow the signs to the sign-in area. The specialty camps will drop off on the south side of the road. To drop off for day camp color groups, follow the road all the way around the roundabout and pull up alongside the north side of the road. To drop off for the Sunshine 4-year-old program, please pull up to the Sunshine Cottage. If you need to drop off medication or meet with the nurse, please look for the camp nurse sign to the right of the roundabout and pull into the parking lot. Please allow extra time for medication drop-off. When you pull up to sign your child in, please look for the roadside sign that will provide you with a phone number. Text this number and you will receive a self-screening health questionnaire. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation on your phone. The attendant will ask to see the confirmation through the window of your car. To save time, we will provide this number ahead of time so you can load the form to your phone prior to leaving the house in the morning. But please do not submit it until you are on campus, or we will ask you to resubmit the form. Once we have confirmed that your child is not showing any COVID-related symptoms based on the answers from your questionnaire, the attendant will ask your child to exit the car to get ready for an awesome day at camp. Next step is the best step, meeting the counselors and the kids. For 12 and 3:30 pickup, please follow the same protocol. You will text the number provided on the roadside sign and complete the sign-out questionnaire. If there are any issues with your phone, don't worry, we will have paper copies available. If you need to drop off your child late or pick up early, this needs to be arranged with the camp office. Please refer to your welcome email to find the early sign-out and late drop-off form. When you enter campus, please remember to display your campus entrance pass on the dash of your car. To ensure the health of our camp community, we are asking all parents to stay inside their cars during drop-off and pickup. Additionally, the camp office is closed to walk-in traffic. If you need to reach us, please call or email the camp office. We look forward to seeing you soon. Ready, set, camp!